Hello everybody, welcome back to a just over model unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing a very special model to me. Today we'll be unboxing our first ever Etihad model, and we'll be comparing this to this thing. This is a Flybe-Q400 in 1:200 scale, but this is actually in 1:400 scale, and we will be unboxing it. And it has got the registration Alpha 6 Bravo November Delta. So if you do know Etihad Airways with that reg, you would instantly know what this is. And I'm a fan of Manchester City. I am very happy to be announcing I'll be unboxing this very special. As you can see here on the box, you got the Boeing titles here, the Boeing 787-9. You got the clip art of the aircraft and the Etihad stuff there. Then we've got on the side of the box we have the Etihad titles and slightly more live. Then we've got the part of the livery on the side of the box here in obviously 1:400 scale this is, and obviously got the clip art of the plane, and each side of the box is the same apart from all like the warning and barcode and stuff here. Then moving back to the other side of the box, you can see it's very different. Here you got the Boeing 787 titles, and it's the tail fin part of the plane now. And you've also got the Etihad Airways logo and the Manchester City part as well. So then opening the box here, we have a nice little pull tab, and we are going to just pull the cradle out. We'll just set the box offside a minute, and then we're just going to slide it up here. I'm just going to put it off again. I'm going to lift it out here, out and onto the brand new thing. And I've actually wanted this model for quite a while, and I'm very happy to say this as part of this. We're going to use my lovely trusty Pringles pencil as normal. So here we have so we're going to show you it from all angles. So we have the front here, so we've got the front picture here of it. So obviously got the D here, the final letter in the registration, and the obviously got the nose cone here, but you won't be able to tell until we do the close up. And obviously we have, like, looking at it, you can tell it is perfectly fine. And then from the back angle, then here's what the plane looks like from the rear end. Obviously we've got the APU CPU thing here and the rear thing, but anyway, so the landing gear do roll, so we will be moving it closer up and to the close up part of the review. Obviously it's already got a 10 out of 10 because of it being this, and I've always wanted it. So here we have the front L1 door and the Etihad titles. Oh, that is actually the first time I've actually ever said that on a review. So here we've got the Arabic stuff. We do actually have the UAE flag just there, just before the L1 door. Then we have the Etihad titles there, Etihad in Arabic, and the Etihad titles there. And then we also now have the Manchester City titles of the aircraft, and we have Etihad.com. You will notice on this livery it does not have the Dreamliner logo, which is either logo to some point in this half of the aircraft. And then we have the final door here, which is the cruise, and then obviously you got the registration just off to the side. Then we have this fantastic Etihad tail fin thing here, which is absolutely fantastic. And then obviously we've got the lovely fan blade engines. There's lovely engines there from Etihad, the General Electrics, and you do actually have the, trying to balance it, the fin thing there, and obviously we've got those fantastically performed Dreamliner rate wingtips there. So on the other side, it has just got the cargo door. It has got the cargo door, and obviously the rear of it there. So on the behold, it is an absolutely fantastic, and it does say Etihad underneath, and you will notice it has come a landing gear short, but I did notice it's landing gear missing, but I did actually break it because I already had it out and I lost it, so it is missing one. So, but I'll get that fixed very soon. So it's in its, so honestly, apart from that, it is an absolute pristine condition, this model, and I absolutely love it. It's just like incredible model to see. And as you see, I am wearing the Man City top as we speak, as hard to unbox it. And there we have it. And I'm just going to use the box it. And there we have the Manchester City Etihad Airways Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Hashtag I see blue in the sky. Yes, that is an official hashtag. And yeah, so I can't wait to be remaking my models in 1 to 400 and 1 to 200 and seeing this here. But I just need to start building up the collection again and just be absolutely enjoying it. So, and I just want to say, there we go, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.